Okay, welcome to part two. I did say that I would start collecting profit and closing these accounts out. Yeah, so most of these were taken on in the month of November, and a couple of them I've been holding on to a little longer, like that Euro Pound, 846 pips, Euro New Zealand. So there's two Euro Pounds, one that's fairly recent, one that's older, one that's fairly recent for Euro New Zealand, one that's older. And then let's see, pound Canadian, 1,000 pips. And I mean, the market's doing very well and basically a lot of profit. Oh, this one finally went into profit, this pound New Zealand. Okay. So, wow. Okay. So that's all good. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and collect. I'm going to go ahead and collect on these. And I'm going to go ahead and also, let's see. Let's go ahead and collect on that. I'm going to close this. All right. Collect on this one. And so, yeah, while I'm collecting, I'll just go ahead and talk. Yeah, so again, these are all based on current market value and current market movement. Okay. Basically, the market has certain patterns, and the strategy that these patterns are based off of are discussed in the ebook. Now, I will be going over the elements of these strategies and these current market movements and current market value a little bit more in detail in the with the Win University courses. Okay, if you're interested in Win University courses, I encourage you to contact us. You can go on to our website and contact us, and basically it'll be classes that will be lectures on these concepts. Now, I've discussed these concepts just to let you know. Once you, like, okay, for example, if you sign up for a Signal service, you get access to our Google Drive. Now, our Google Drive has videos where I discuss these aspects and these elements of the strategy, okay? And all right, so no more positions. Let's see. These are all the closed positions here, and totaling the amount here. Summary. Okay, so all right. So these are the closed positions. I closed all 24 positions, and these are the pips that have been accumulated as a result of those closed positions. Now let me go to the other account here, and this one has gone very well. I bought some new ones just today. These are the new ones that I bought for December 12th. Okay, I'm going to keep those. The rest of these I'm going to close. Okay, I'm just going to keep the new positions only. And the rest of these I'm going to go ahead and close. And this is a crypto account. Let's see if I'm able to close it here. Let's just check to see. All right, so I guess there's a poor connection. Let's try again. Yeah, so there we go. Okay. This is a Bitcoin account, and I will be discussing that in the Win University courses as well. For those of you who are interested in how to grow your cryptos in a safe way. And basically what it means is you can grow your cryptocurrency using our current market value strategy. That's pretty much what that means. You can apply the same strategy here. Let's see, is this the new one? Okay, I won't close that one out. Okay. You can apply the same strategy to the your crypto. basically. All right. And once you do that, you'll find that the market pretty much operates the same way. No matter what market you're in, or not, I should say, no matter what type of currency you're trying to build up. Okay. So, and so yeah, if you're interested in signals, we have our signal services that we provide. We provide lifetime signals for those of you who want lifetime signals. You use a broker that we provide for you, and as long as you remain with that broker, you only have to pay a one-time payment of $60. Now, we have some people that'll pay and then they try to play these little games. I mean, we work with the broker so we can see what you're doing, you know. We encourage you to just, be straightforward, and we're offering you an opportunity. You're not going to find an opportunity like this other places. I'll be honest with you. You're just not going to be able to find that type of opportunity where you're going to get these types of signals that are, I mean, these are not perfect. I mean, you can see that some of these are not, profiting yet. Now all of these started off this way, not profiting is what I'm saying. If you go back to the older videos, those of you who are in our network, our Wise Investors Network, go back to our older videos and you'll be able to see that they all did not start off profiting. And that's the whole purpose of me collecting and starting over again, collecting and starting over again. I've done this several times. This is not the first cycle. Okay, this is at least the maybe sixth, ninth, or I don't even remember how many cycles since I recorded. I mean, I've documented this, but I've gone through this cycle many times before. Okay, so it's, it works. It works. Is it perfect? No. Is it 95 to 98% accurate? Yes. It's 95 to 98%. All right, so I guess these right here I can't close because time. Okay, so the market's closed. So I'm unable to close these. Now, I'm going to place trades now, and these trades are based on this report right here. Okay, so those of you who decide to get the signals, you're going to get access to this daily financial market report. And this is where we do the research. Everything's placed on this report. And this report goes out every day. Now, I have been missing a couple of days out of the week. I'm going to get back to having these reports out every day. As you can see, there's a green indicator when the report is completed. There's a date on there. And, of course, I will have those videos out also to explain this report as well. Yeah, but you get access to this report. Explains, give you a general idea of how the current market value works. And we have something here called now we have 4 markets. We used to have 5. I might bring back the stock market, but from a whole different perspective. Okay, now the stock market, I'll bring that out, and I might actually bring it out from a podcast perspective, maybe, okay, but that's not right now. Okay, so the stock market used to be a part of this report is what I'm saying, but it's no longer part of this report. You can use the same strategy with stocks as well, and it works. All right, so the Forex market is on here. We have the Forex market, we have the commodities market, we have the cryptocurrency market. That one's been doing very well. Okay, I can open up some accounts with some cryptos that we've been going according to the market, and we've been profiting. You don't have to be one of those people that's going to be panicking about the cryptos. There's really, in any market, there's no reason to panic. When you're a wise investor, there's just no reason to panic. And that's the whole point of this, is just to get everyone to that place, to that point where you can have a peace of mind. Why would you need to be a part of those at the bottom of the mountain that are just, it's just chaos down there? And you can be at the top of the mountain where everything is calm, everything is peaceful, everything is, there's serenity there, you know, there's peace of mind, and you can just enjoy and just, you know, and then come back and check on it, you know, and, you know, there's weather, you know, you're still going to be exposed to the elements, all right, meaning that the market is still going to have its volatility, but you won't have to be affected by it, okay? And that's the truth right there, you know. Now, there might be some other things you might have to do, you know, personally in your own life to kind of break you away from the, see, it's going to take, there's two parts to this, okay? There is the you can put it like this, there's a psychological part, okay? And then there's the technical part, okay? There's the market is operated by human beings, okay? So you cannot escape that element of it. You can't escape the element of the human factor, okay, or the emotional factor, because if there are human beings involved, there's emotions involved. If there's emotions involved, then you have, you know, you break those two things down to two smaller levels or two separate legs, and then you have the macro, and then you have the micro. You have the crowd behavior, and then you have your own inner self behavior based on where you are as an investor, okay? And that's what I talk about when I go over these videos, especially with Win University courses. And then there's another part, the technical part, okay? The technical part is just the data. That's just the numbers, all right? That's the numbers, and that's the computer part. That's how we can read and we can put a number to that type of emotional behavior, okay? That's what the computer outputs, okay? The input is the human factor, and the output is the data that we read, but the output can also be, is really a reflection of both the human factor, the emotional factor, the crowd behavior, the crowd psychology, the reactions to whatever the news is, you know, it's human reaction. That's really what it is. But it's able to be analyzed, okay, and computerized. Now, the computerized aspect of it comes in a little slower depending on what the event is, okay? But here, I guess I just turned this video into a teaching lesson, but that's just a part of what you're going to receive, okay? But hey, there's a lot to this, okay? All right, so here, there's an MAS score here. I'm not going to go over everything here, but here, I'm going to have to stop this video. I'm going to make part 3, and I'm going to make part 3. I'm going to place these trades.